What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. You know what I'm looking at right now? Yeah, you already saw the thumbnail. I'm staring at a I believe it's a 99 Dodge Ram 1500. It's the sport truck, so it's going to be a short bed. It's got some wheels. We looked at it a few weeks ago, then we looked at it again just the other day on video. Here it is. I bid more than I wanted to bid for it, but only because I feel like deep down I just got a hunch about this one, that this one's not that bad. It's a sport because you see it doesn't have that typical Ram chrome bumper. It's got that lower, longer bumper. It's got the fog lights painted to match. Same with the back end as well. It's not chrome, it's painted to match as well. It's sitting on 2 flats. It's listed as a start but not a drive, and I won it for $1,000 bucks. $1,000, okay? A little more than I wanted to pay for it, but honestly, the truck's not that bad. Just the other day, we checked it out. The air conditioning works, okay? It runs, and I was able to get it to move a little bit. I ran a Carfax on it, and it's been sitting for about 6 years. Carfax shows that it wasn't even registered. It just sat in somebody's yard or wherever it sat for the last 6 years. You can see it's been sitting a while. Lots of buildup of dirt and grime everywhere. She's been sitting. The dashboard, although it is broken, that's just something you got to deal with on these, isn't the worst I've seen. It's really not that bad. So I guess what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to attempt to get it running. I need to get these tires aired up, and then we're going to try to drive it. I brought everything I need. It's low on coolant too, so I brought I can't open that, but I brought coolant, booster pack, everything that we need to hopefully drive this one back to the house. By the way, $1,000 winning bid, total out the door, $1,505. $1,505 out the door. And keep in mind, I'm a dealer. All right, I get the dealer discount. $1,505 on a $1,000 bid. Let's see if we can make this thing drive. All right, we're gonna hope that these tires hold air. Let's see what happens. And we'll also start pouring a little bit of coolant in it. Please, please, please take air. I beg you. There she goes. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we'll come back and look at that in a minute. Jessica's holding the gas for us so we can keep her running. You can see there's a lot of rust in that cooling system. So I'm gonna just pour some water up in it. It's just water, nothing else. We'll see how much she holds, but I'm pretty sure she's low. Not too bad. It only held about half a gallon. She's pretty much full. We'll definitely put some into the overflow here as well. Doesn't hurt. Hey, we're getting somewhere now, guys. Okay, the overflow was dead empty. Man, it almost held the other half a gallon right there. All right. How's this tire doing? Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's see where we're at pressure-wise. 25. Let her go a little bit more. Let me get this aired up for you guys, and we're about to take her on the road. I've been trying to move it backwards and forwards. It rolls backwards just fine, but it doesn't want to go forward. When we try to go forward, it bogs down. This wheel will spin and lose traction. And this wheel, you can see I've been spitting up gravel and dirt over here. This wheel doesn't want to move at all. I've been screwing with it for about 10 minutes, forcing it forward and backwards and forwards and backwards. And I think we've got her to the point we can get it out on the road. I'm gonna stop at advance. It needs a battery desperately bad before my booster pack goes completely out on me. The brakes are not good. There's almost no brake fluid in it at all. I've gotten the hang of 2-footing it, I think. It's in drive, there we go. Damn it, it's trying to lock up again. There we go, she's moving. She's moving. Ooh, she's rubbing bad on the back. Yeah, that back brake is just really having an issue. But she's moving. So we're gonna get it right down the street. Let me check these brakes. They work. They work. I don't want you to think I'm driving on no brakes. They work. They just don't work well. She's moving. I think it just shifted. Not 100% sure, but I think it just shifted. The battery's completely dead, so if it dies, we are screwed. I hooked my booster pack up. The booster pack is kind of rigged up in there and it's hooked up to the battery, so if it dies, as long as the booster pack doesn't shut itself down, we should be able to fire it up. But I think the booster pack times itself out after so long, and it turns itself off. So we're just gonna hope and pray that we can make it to the auto parts store and to the gas station. It's got no gas. We're gonna try to make it to the auto parts store and to the gas station. Let's get a battery put in it. Let's put some brake fluid in it. Then we'll go get some gas. And we got several miles to get home. Let's hope she makes the trip. Well, we're out on the main road now. We're going almost 40. She shifts. The tires have flat spots. So, yeah, the truck is shaking and baking. Ricky Bobby. Ooh. Yeah, those tires are so flat. I was really hoping this light would turn green for us. Please, please, please. Coming to a stop is the most terrifying thing right now. Let's see. Yeah, she shifts. She does. She shifts. All right, we're about to roll into the gas station here. Oh boy, she shakes bad. Good Lord, have mercy. I'm going for it. Screw it. Screw it. Oh. All right, here we go. I'm sure it's gonna die, but we gotta get some fresh gas into this thing. Oh my goodness gracious. Yep, she died. All right. She's full of fresh gas. Against my better judgment, I put $71 in fuel, non-ethanol, because I know that this gas has been sitting in it for the past 6 years that it hasn't been running. So I wanted to make sure she was full of fresh gas, and I'm hoping that maybe she'll want to stay running. No, she won't. Still got to 2-foot it. All right. Next stop, let's see if we can make it to Advanced Auto Parts and get a battery and some brake fluid. All right, we've made it 3.2 miles and we are rolling up into the Advanced Auto Parts right now. So far, so good, guys. I don't mind letting her die here. Whew. Let's get a battery, some brake fluid. We're gonna check under the hood real quick. I noticed some squeaking from some of the pulleys, or a pulley, something down there. It's got a relatively new belt on it. You can see the writing on it still. She's got pressure on the cooling system. I don't see anything leaking, and she does shift through all the gears. You can see someone has put stop leak in it. Looks like the radiator was leaking from somewhere up top over here. So she probably does need a radiator. But honestly, not bad. Not bad at all, guys. You get those tires replaced with some that aren't flat and, 20 years old. I'll bet she rides like a damn dream, man. I do. That water right there is not me, right? Hold on, let's check under here real quick. No, that's not me. Everything under here is dry as a bone. Motor, trans, so far, so good. So big shout out to Advanced Auto Parts for getting this battery in there. Let's see. I mean, yeah, as soon as I take my foot off the gas, though, she still wants to die. Oh, check engine light finally came on. I was hoping that was going to happen so we could figure out what's going on. Maybe a throttle position sensor or something. Yeah, you can hear that belt squeaking, or it's really a pulley, not the belt. But she got a new battery. We filled the master cylinder with fluid. Let's see if she wants to move right now. Hoping we can avoid the rain. All right, we're going backwards. It held a ton of brake fluid, guys. I mean a ton. It had nothing in it. All right, let's work our way out of Del City. Yeah, we're gonna have to seriously bleed these brakes. Thankfully, the brakes don't seem to be sticking anymore. That's a bad deal when one of your brakes decides to lock up on you. All right, here we go. She really does run great. It runs well, it shifts fine. I'm telling you, man, you put some good tires on this thing and probably change those wheels. Figure out which pulley is squawking and shut that up. You got yourself a decent truck here, man, and it wasn't a whole lot of money. Send her down to Mako, give her a paint job. She looked right after a paint job. Hey, this could be my backup truck, man. I might hold on to this one. I feel like I got a good deal on it. I know the $500, I've already seen on Instagram, a lot of people are complaining about the $500 in auction fees on top of a $1,000 bid. Look, man, you know, I'm not going to say one way or another about it, but it is what it is. Okay, at the end of the day, that's it. It is what it is. That's what you got to pay to play. But I still feel like for $1,500, I feel like I got a good deal, man. I got a low mileage, you know, 99 Ram 1500 sports truck with the 5.9 in it, two-wheel drive. I guarantee you, we get a little bit of work done on this bad boy, she'll be a good runner. This will be a good runner. The suspension is great. You know, the steering wheel stays straight. Aside from the tires making the truck ride like you're on wagon wheels, it's not bad, man. It's not bad at all. Let's see if we can get her the rest of the way home, guys. I got faith she's gonna make it. Well, whatever's going on with it, definitely smoking pretty bad from this left rear wheel. It actually might be on fire. Hold on, let me climb under here. That's a lot of smoke. Ugh. Oh, wow. Okay, I see what's happening. We've got a rear wheel cylinder leaking right there. It's pouring fluid all over the place. And that fluid is getting all over the drum. And as I'm going to stop, it's heating it up. And, well, there you go. It's just billowing smoke. Whew. Okay. Well, damn. The one thing I didn't get while I was there was a wheel cylinder. Gonna do one, might as well do both. I'm gonna really keep my eye on that, because that's unusual smoke. Oh, that wheel is hot. Man, that is hot. I almost want to go grab some water and just pour some water on it. Well, now we know why the brake fluid reservoir was empty. Obviously, she's got a little brake issue. Ooh, boy, all the crap falling out of there. We also got a ground issue. I ended up buying 2 terminals. I'll replace those. But as you can see, you know, lots of leaves, and we got lots of rat crap. Hopefully you can see that down there. Everybody needs to see rat crap, right? Lots of rat poop down there. She's obviously been sitting a very long time. So, you know what I didn't check before I took it on a drive was if the rats had gotten into the filter here. Well, I guess you gotta, I don't remember how this works. Screw it, I'll figure it out later. The important thing is, it does run, it does drive, it's got good oil pressure, it's got a squeaking pulley over here somewhere, you know, no big deal. It holds pressure on the cooling system. I don't see any oil or any coolant or any trans fluid leaking. Trans shifts through all the gears. Needs a set of tires. Definitely going to put a couple wheel cylinders on the back here. We'll try to bleed out the master cylinder and see if we can get some, how much has she lost? Oh, wow. She's lost a lot. So it's leaking pretty heavily. I'm going to try to save that master cylinder. I really hate bleeding master cylinders. So we'll put a couple wheel cylinders on it. We'll see if we can bleed the brakes and get the pedal back. But If not, then we'll replace the master cylinder. Other than that, guys, it's just a good running, driving truck with cold air conditioning. You can bet you're behind. You're going to see this at Mako in the near future. I'm going to keep it the same color, obviously. You know I love red, so it's already the right color for me. The wheels are going to have to go. You may like them. I don't. I absolutely hate those wheels. Tires got to be replaced anyway, so maybe I'll see if I can find a decent used set that I could slap on here from Facebook Marketplace or something. If not, then I'll just go to Tire Rack and get a set sent to me with wheels and tires already included. She's a good looking truck, and that 5.9, don't think we're not going to put exhaust on either. That 5.9 is a beast. That is a beast of an engine. This thing will easily haul that trailer of mine with no problems when, as you see, you know, my regular truck is not here. This thing could be used to pull it, and it would have no issue pulling a car and a trailer. So, yeah, definitely going to have to go see Performance Muffler down in Norman, have them do something with the exhaust. I'd like to get some duals maybe run out the back. I think it sound really, really nice. It's a good motor, man. Good motor. We'll get a cap or something for the dash to cover up all this mess up here, and maybe see if we can do something to put this headliner back in place. The rest of the headliner is good. I don't know if you can see it, but rest of the headliner is really good. It's just that one little area there. And you can see she starts right back up. In fact, she stayed running a minute ago. I could just turn the idle screw up on it. Hey, yeah. Let me see here. Will she stay running? No. She did a minute ago. When I pulled in, it stayed running. It was running on its own. Of course, we got to diagnose the check engine light. We got to diagnose the ABS light, which is probably just going to be a wheel speed sensor. We got some cigarettes in there, so it was a smoker. Cigarette lighter. Wonder if it works. Also got the power outlet down here as well. That's nice. Got your cup holders here. They swing out, I guess. Something like that. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, cup holders. Glove box. There's really not much anything in here. Oh, she's hot. You can't see it, but she's hot. It works. We got heated mirrors. Yeah, heated mirrors. The cruise control works. I tried it. We got intermittent wipers. We got tilt fog lights. This thing's got pretty much everything. Power windows, power locks. It's really got just about everything you could want out of a truck from this generation. I mean, you know, back then these trucks didn't exactly have a whole lot of options to offer. But I'm happy with it, man. I'm happy with it. So what I want you guys to do is comment below. Tell me what you think. By the way, the radio works. I was listening to the radio on the way here. Need to see if it's got a trailer hitch. It doesn't. No trailer hitch and no 7-pin. Well, that's something that'll have to change. We'll definitely need to get a 7-pin installed on this. Damn it. Don't know how much that costs. We're going to figure that out, though. I'll get a 7-pin installed. We may be able to just bumper pull it. I think this bumper is fully capable of towing. So we'll put maybe a 2-inch ball hitch. I'll get a 7-pin connector added to it, or maybe I'll just go ahead and have the whole damn whatchamacallit stuck under there, tow package put on there. I don't know, guys. She looks solid, man. The body looks good. The interior looks good. Just needs a little bit of work. Comment below. Tell me what you think. If you think I got a good deal on this for $1,505 out the door. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Short, sweet, to the point. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun picking this up today. Again, comment below. Tell me what you think. I'm going to get out of here, though. Subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Links to everything down below. If you enjoyed the content, hit the thumbs up button. Share the video with your friends. Stay tuned because we got more on this truck coming real soon. Stay safe out there, buddy. I look forward to seeing you all very soon in the next one.